Hello, student. Today I have a math problem 1 plus under root 5 over 2 power 12. So I am going to solve this question. First of all, I am going to let x equal to 1 plus 5 over 2. So the equation become x power 12, and I have to check out this value. From this I can write it like that: 2x equal to 1 plus 5 under root, and I can write into like that 2x plus 1 equal to under root 5. So now I am going to taking squaring 2x plus 1 2x plus 1 square under root 5 square, and here square cancel the square root, and this term become 4x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 5. Here I can write into like that 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 5 equal to 0, and now I can write into like that 4x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. Dividing by 4, the equation become x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So I can find the here equation of x square like that: x square equal to take from this here will be the sign is -1, and here the sign also -1, and it become minus, here minus and minus and minus. Sorry for that, this is a sign mistake. So I can write into like that x square equal to x plus 1. So this become the value of x square equal to x plus 1. Now I can write this x power 12 into like that x power 12, x power 2 into 6. So I can write into like that x square, I have the value of x square x plus 1. So I am writing this value here, x plus 1 power 6. I can further write this x plus 1 like that, 2 like that. So I can write into like that x square plus 2x plus 1 power 3. Now I can next write into like that, I am again putting the value of x square x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 power 3. It become 3x plus 2 power 3. I can further write into like that 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2 square, and it become 3x plus 2, and this become 9x square plus 4 3 is 12x plus 4. And now I can write into like that, I am putting the value of x square 3x plus 2. I am putting here the value of x square, that is x plus 1 plus 12x plus 4, and now 3x plus 2 and 9x plus 9 plus 12x plus 4. Now again I am writing here, it becomes 9x plus 12x become 20, 1x plus 9 plus 4 become 13. So this become like this. Now the next question, the next step is I am going to multiply this equation. 3 21s are become 63x plus 3 13s are 39x, and it become x square. Now 2 21s are 42x plus 26. I am writing x square value again. 63x plus 1 plus 39x plus 42x plus 26. I am multiplying it into 63x plus 63 plus 39x plus 42x plus 26. On solving 42x, 39x, 63x, it becomes a value like that 144. On solving these three values, the values become I am calculating these values, and it becomes 144x, and it becomes 144x plus 89. This is the value of x power 12. This is the value of x power 12. This is the value of x power. This is the value of x power 12. No, I am writing the value of x. I am writing the value of x, that is this value, in this equation. And it becomes x power 12 equal to 144x 1 plus under root 5 over 2 plus 89. And on cutting 2 1 the 2 7s are 2 2s are, and on multiplying 72 plus 72 under root 5 plus 89. And when I solve 89 plus 72, it becomes 160. It becomes 161 plus 72 under root 5. So this is value of x power 12. I hope you like this question. If you like this question, then hit the like button.